Hi, I'm Annette from PartyWow, and today I want to show you something from our Sesame Street party range. We have the invitations, Elmo invitations. So in the packet of invitations you get 8 postcard invitations, 8 envelopes, 8 seals and 8 save the date stickers. So let's take these out. So these would be the 8 seals, which when you make your invitation, you will just peel that off and stick on. I'll show you that. Just peel off the sticker, and that's how you will seal your envelope, just like that. You also have 8 save the date stickers, which I'm not sure you would use, but anyway. You get 8 of the invitations. Now these are postcard invitations, so you've got the Elmo, you're invited on the front, and on the back it says the for, date, place, time and RSVP. You also get 8 yellow envelopes to put your cards in and send them on. So that's the invitations today. If you have any questions about these invitations or anything else in our Sesame Street range, please send me a message below, and also subscribe to see more.